Welcome, friends. Greetings once again from the picturesque Cotswolds. This time, we are heading out together to explore Broadway. Not the Broadway in New York. You won't find musicals or theaters here. This Broadway is a charming English village with just under 2,500 inhabitants, more than 2,000 years of history, and a very lively present. Like most towns in the Cotswolds, Broadway prospered in the Middle Ages thanks to the wool trade. From the 16th century onwards, it also benefited from being an important coaching stop on the route from Worcester to London. It offered all the necessary services, accommodation, and horse changes, and it's no wonder that at that time there were as many as 33 inns in operation. 3 of them are still here today. One is the Lygon Arms, which has stood here since 1620 and has been welcoming travelers for over 400 years. Back then, Broadway was among the wealthiest communities in the region. But with the arrival of the railway in the 19th century, stagecoach travel came to an end, and almost overnight the village lost its main source of income. Together with the decline of sheep farming, caused by cheap cotton imports from the colonies, it dealt a heavy blow to the local economy. By the late 19th century, the whole Cotswolds area had fallen into poverty. But there was a silver lining. Because so little was demolished or rebuilt, most of the historic houses survived right up to the present day. So, come and join us on a walk through the village. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like, share it, and check out more from our channel. Today, Broadway is a bustling tourist destination. You'll find hotels, guest houses, dozens of restaurants, and plenty of small independent shops, galleries, and museums. Broadway has so much to offer visitors, and there's truly something for everyone. You can spend your time browsing cozy boutiques and shops, admire or even buy art in one of the local galleries, or discover a doggy boutique, a barber shop for real tough guys, and of course, a traditional English sweet shop. Some of the flavors, and not just of the sweets, are quite exotic. Well, best not to overdo it. And once shopping wears you out, you can settle down comfortably in one of the many local restaurants or cafes, enjoy a meal or simply have a coffee. Or, just like we did, you can sit on a bench, relax, and watch the world go by. Lovers of long walks can also head to nearby Broadway Tower, an 18th century landmark offering not only stunning views of the surrounding countryside but also family-friendly activities. Railway enthusiasts will appreciate the local heritage line, which can take you all the way to Cheltenham Racecourse. Just 3 miles from here lies the marvelous and extravagant Snousel Manor. We are preparing a separate video about it, and trust me, it's a place you definitely shouldn't miss. And on your way to Snow, you can stop by the ancient church of St. Eadburga. In its current form, it has stood here since the 14th century, though some parts are another 200 years older. The church is open to the public, so you can step inside as well. Yes, that's right. If you are planning to visit the Cotswolds, Broadway is absolutely worth a stop. And if you enjoyed today's trip, please support us with a like, a subscription, share the video, And don't forget to check out our earlier walks around England. That's all for today, friends. Take care, and don't forget to hit the bell, ding ding, so you won't miss a thing.